Thank you.
Another thing that gold likes hidden base. And don't forget we have a fair value gap right here. So you value it, look for the 50% of the gap. Where is my take profit at this low? This stick is long. Oh my god, this stick is long. I think I'll just delete it and like delete it and put a new one. I get an entry. I know we're still going down, but I can TP here first. Sell side liquidity, daily low. Daily low. Daily low is different from previous day low. Daily low plus. So this is our daily zone, right? Now let's look at the 12 hour. Now the 12 hour, I have a 12-hour order block. All of this 12-hour candle, they're all the daily candle. Now let's look at 9 hour. Let's look at 6 hour. Gold can manipulate. Let's look at the 4 hour. You can see that imbalance is being filled, but the OB is not mitigated. The other block is not mitigated. Then here I have my daily zone. I'm a little bit not having a clean entry right here because I'm seeing series of mitigations. We have mitigated this. I can also see this week right here. But I don't see any reason why I'm not a person that will take my entry on the week. I see this candle, but I know it has been mitigated. So I'm going to go to the 3 hour. You have to keep looking till you see a candle that is unmitigated. On the 3 hour, this has been very, very well mitigated. I can see this. And I can also see that liquidity resting below. As price rate this, break structure, return back to the other block, took side liquidity. That gave us this mitigation.
Sorry, ma. I don't know if it is from my end, though, but your chat is blurry, like not very clear. It has never done like
This from your end. Is it the same with other people? I thought it's from my end.
It's clear for me.
It's supposed to be clear
It's
because I'm
actually
even
blurry
using
for
a
me.
higher def. Maybe you need to use a better internet. So we have this already mitigated. Any other person that is blurry for? Let me see. Is there another person that is blurry?
it is perfectly clear now.
I find it very weird with human beings. Whether you're teaching goats or you're teaching animals that you know they cannot talk. Human beings, you ask any other person, they'll keep quiet. And you guys are men. God forbid. I can't have friends like that. So God forbid. That you ask questions, they'll be like, they'll keep mouth shut like their mouth is sealed. You guys need deliverance. Not all of you. Some of you there need, they are just like log of wood. Only to make noise on the mentorship group they know how to do. Remember, our target is what? Below. Are you seeing this? Can you see that we're going for a market maker sell model? Can you see that?
Yes, I can see it. I can see it.
I know some people can see it, but some people need glasses. So we're going for a market maker sell model. We're just at 50% of the range. We had the same experience right here, and we see we push down. So I'm looking to take my entry on that area if gold gives me opportunity, because that wick is too clean. And remember I said Euro USD will still push up one more time. That's the push up gold is going to do as well. Inside the day, you know, we have our inside the daily range, we have this low. We also have this high. Now, supporting your move, you are going to support your move. I can see this. The price is respecting. You can do respecting it. I don't think there's any. I don't know it. Put our Fibonacci now to see if our range. And if you check gold on lower time frame. So I'm going to swing it from this high to this low. And you can see that our entry is where exactly at the 79, 78%. So that's where I'm going to look to take my entry. Tomorrow, I might deliver that tomorrow after making weekly high. I deliver that tomorrow after making weekly high. Let's see. You can see since this week, price has been trading up. Right? This is Tuesday now. Traded here on Monday, came down, and we're doing a return. So if you look at this very well on a lower time frame, we have a break of structure that is giving us a return to the block. So we're going to go to 2 hours. The same thing. Let's see the 1 hour. Now we have this. Let's see what the 45 minutes have. You can see I'm not saying this time frame is not important. You see how I am refining down? Do you see that? So don't come and tell me that I looked only at the daily. You see this point, we got it from where? Higher time frame of the daily. And that's what I'm refining all the way down. See how they are forming U-shape and they are crashing, U-shape crashing. So I'm looking at that zone, preferably from this area, which is around the 50%. Exactly on the 50%. That's where I would like to take myself from. All of you that analyze gold, did you arrive at the same thing like I did? Any one of you have analyzed gold before? Or it's totally different? So that's for my.
I did the top down analysis on weekend, but I just have little differences from you. But most PIs are the same from monthly, based on I didn't use yearly or these 3 hours because of the thing. But most of my PIs are the same with your own.
All right, so guys, that's it for me. It's done. I'm done. Class over. Class over. Class is done. If you have a question in the next 5 minutes, ask or forever hold your peace. Timing, I'm not going to give you too many times to start asking any question. No way. Ask your question now, forever hold your peace.
Sorry, ma, this is Bali FS. Though my question is from one of your previous lectures with the previous sets of the videos I watched before. Ma, you mentioned something in one of the
Can you
videos
be asking me
about
person that is not in your class? How do you want me to tell you what I
but it's
did not
part of
teach
our
here now?
curriculum.
Eh?
It is part of the curriculum.
If it's out of the curriculum and I didn't
You
teach it today, that means I've taught it before. I'm talking about class I taught today. Oh yeah, now go on.
you might have taught it before. Maybe I was one that did not listen. Maybe I'll go back to previous videos.
Okay, go on. I'm listening.
It is about I don't know how to pronounce it. OSOK, something like that. Like you mentioned it then.
I cannot pronounce it. I don't know what you're saying.
Talk one shot, one kill, something like that. You mentioned it here. Just
So
wanted to
you
know
can
about
pronounce
it.
it before you're forming as if you are a dodgy. You I know. You can pronounce it. One shot, one kill. When you take a trade on the weekly reversal, you can hold it for the rest of the week. That's one shot, one kill.
Okay,
The
ma.
time when they're having midweek reversal, when they have midweek reversal, when they have set their high and the low, you cash it at that weekly reversal. That's one shot, one kill.
Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. I'm sorry for laughing. Like it's my wife that just laughed when he said Dundee. Like
Oh, your wife is there.
he's laughing.
Eh?
Yes, ma.
My regards to her.
Okay, ma. Thank you, Ashu.
You see what I said about Euro US? Did you post when I said they are creating trendline liquidity to go and sweep? Go and look at it. They've gone back. When you see these things, you will know that these people are moving. Look at it now. Look at that trendline liquidity we're talking about. Are you seeing it? Did they go for it? They did not go for it.
They went. Wow.
You see how I marked this sweep? You see accumulation. They took liquidity buy side. They came for sell side. Now they create this range-like structure so they can have something to feed on. All of us that are happily selling here, you didn't take profit. You see the way they use speed to go and carry everybody out. Now you understand that taking partials is very important. Just imagine if I didn't take partials and I'm teaching you now. I didn't check my trades. It's only for me to open the hit break even. The one I left from the hit break even. Can you see that? So you need to know that in this forex, taking partials is good. Taking partials is good. Now I'll wait for them to get to this entry. Let me set alert. So is it only valid that have question? No other one. No. Okay, in the absence of no question, guys. You know the thing is that I think I teach so well. You guys don't have questions, right?
Yeah.
I teach so well.
Yes, ma'am.
I will see that. And even though you don't understand something in this previous class, if you go back to the recordings or the previous set, you will surely get it. See imaging, but you surely get it.
I teach so well. I
So
inherited that
well.
from my mother. I'm a teacher's daughter.
Nice one. So well.
I'm a teacher's daughter. Now you see why I teach so well. I teach so well. So even not just you guys, all my other mentorship, they barely have questions. Some of them are even killing it more than me, Seth. That channel is giving me headache and frustration. Next year, I will abandon them. Stressing me out. Stressing me out. Next year, I'm just going to have 4 mentorship each for each quarter. Anyone that did not attend, wait for the next quarter. So just imagine if I have just only myself to cater for. No channel, nothing. Don't you know how much I'll be killing it? That's like those people that have channel, they don't even have time for it. They just get concerned about their VIP. And the VIP, they just post trade. You take profit or not to now your business. They don't post and they don't take their own profits. So next year, I will not have this much time again. Like very, very serious. I won't. Any retracement and see on EU now. I'll buy it all the way up. See now. So you can see that even before this thing happened, didn't I see it? I saw it. I saw it. And what did I say? I said, I want to see USD card push one time. I want to see dollar push one more time below. I want to see where USD trade one more up. I want to see them just doing their thing. And they're doing it. See it now. Trend line liquidity, they broke above it. Anything now that you look for now, look for price bouncing off this trend line. Can you see that? And that area, what do you have in that area? An order block. Can you see that when you know these things, it's easy for you to see setups? It's easy for you to get setups. Now, what are you looking at? Trading it all the way up. Entry at the top of the order block. Stop loss below the order block. Take profit should be here. No, we have an imbalance. Just right at my entry. Because this is a trend line break and retest. How many pips stop loss? Just 10 pips stop loss. TP 64p. 1 to 6 risk to reward. Wait for entry. Is it hard to understand? Is it hard, family?
No.
Talk to me now. Look at your midnight open. Look at your true day open. Accumulation around the midnight open. Accumulation. They push up. They traded below midnight. Now they're going to close high. They open, trade low, they'll close high. So for New York, I'm bullish. Tomorrow, they'll set weekly high. Then you can cash your one short, one key sell. Look at gold. You just go and look for entry for gold. Or where will you get your entry? Just go to 15 minutes. It's consolidating. Can you see this bullish order block right here? If it gives you this entry, good for you. Where will you TP? TP at that high you are seeing there, it might not necessarily wait to get to that our entry. If it gives you this entry, stop loss below the order block. TP at this high. If it does not come and give you that entry, let it go. You can't chase price. Maybe they want to sell for New York, because if they hit this zone, I'll look for sales. If they give me this entry, maybe if they break this high, they will come back to this other block that caused the break of structure. So guys, that's it for me. See gold now. They rate this low. Now let them go and break that high. Maybe they now give you a return to other blocks. See stop hunts here. Stop hunts. Because this is intraday already. Look at it. So they traded high. They came back low. See accumulation. They broke structure. They return back to the block that caused the break of structure, which is this. And you see that accumulation, stop hunts. This is the stop hunts. Break structure, return back to the other block. Now they are going. Where is your target? You just target. They can even target this high. Stop hunts. So Bali, you were selling the retracement.
Yes, ma'am.
You knew you were selling the retracement, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Stop hunts. right? Break of structure. If I had seen this trade since I would have taken the retracement. Break of structure. Now, if you look at the retracement, you see it went deep into the other block that caused the break of structure and traded below it. It's not, it respected the other block because it didn't close below the 50%. It closed above the 50%. So this is mitigated. So guys, that's basically what I have on gold. So if it comes back here like this, that's my petition for gold. I'll call it a wrap. I hope I did justice to this gold trade. I wish you guys good luck in all your endeavors. I'll split you into a group, higher time frame group and lower time frame group. Class captain Obinna and Bali. Tell them at Obinna, another person should tag your name, copy your name, put it and add their own at Bali. Copy Obinna and Bali's name, put it and add your own at Ima. Copy like everybody for the group mentorship has done the same thing. I'll group into mentorship into your spiel or this thing by the weekend. And lastly, I will still take care of your assignment before you all will leave this group, guys. It's not easy on my part. I'm overwhelmed. Please. So I hope you understand.
Wow. I didn't get that part though. But I'll hear the recording.
So when you go university, now $50 your papa take pay school fees. I said this is very my service. In my group, you want to be collect. I think maybe it's 15 naira using. It's 50 when you go to university. It's $50 you're using getting knowledge, or it's $150, or it's $200. But that certificate cannot get a lot of them jobs. People don't have sense. You want to be in forest and be making trying to pay $250 to get knowledge. Is there anybody here that went to school with $250 for university school fees? Now that I've removed him from the group, let me remove him from my channel so that he will not gain anything. You won't gain anything. You won't be my channel. You won't benefit anything. The other person that is asking him to check DM, make I remove him too. Now, to make una go do a meeting somewhere. I'm emotionless when it comes to my business. Because I know wake up one day, get this knowledge. I know how many months of stress it took me. Goodbye. Kicked you out. All right, guys, that's the end of today's class. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoy the class. Bali, you heard my instruction I gave in terms of grouping you guys for your presentation tomorrow. So I wish you guys best of luck. Pick a pair. When I'm splitting your group, you can pick your pair. So tomorrow is your last class, but you'll be on the mentorship group for the next 1 week. I'll mark your assignment. I'll mark your assignment, and every one of you will get your results before you leave the group, and I'll add you to the inner cycle group. Good luck, all of you. I love you all. I wish you best of luck in all your endeavors, and I'm always there for you.
I will miss these moments. I'll miss
Just
this
know that
moment.
you have a friend in Pretty Queen. Okay?
It's all right. We got you.
All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.